Alpha is a spinning multi-toy designed to increase focus through fidgeting. Alpha has features and styling never before seen.
Introducing the Fire Beaner. Understanding that fire creation is crucial in times of emergency, we've introduced our EverSpark technology to the beaner. Sometimes all you need is a spark to totally change the situation. Designed to be titanium coated stainless steel, and at 1 ounce this should be part of everyone's everyday carry. We integrated a blade for those ad hoc moments, paracord, fishing line, perhaps a seatbelt. And of course a bottle opener for those moments of celebration. We've partnered up with SolidWorks with their entrepreneurial program to develop the Fire Beaner for an ergonomic design, for stress analysis, and for overall manufacturability. So go on, slap it on your keychain or put it on your pack, and always be prepared. We have our manufacturer set up, and our first set of prototypes have been approved, and now we're asking for your help to help launch our first production run to bring the Fire Beaner into your hands and to your adventure. And all the features of the Fire Beaner come in handy day in and day out. So get those grills and stoves lit, clean up those loose ends, and get the backyard ready. So please back this project. You'll thank yourself later.
Hi, I'm Mike Scully, creator of the Lever Gear tool card. I founded Lever Gear to design products that solve real problems, look great, and will last forever. We all have little projects that pop up in life, and they don't always happen when our tools are handy. It's annoying to have to spend time chasing down tools for a job that should take 10 seconds. If you're like me, it usually ends up getting added to your to-do list. That's why we created the Lever Gear tool card. It's a multi-tool the size of a credit card that has 40 different tools. It's always with you, so you can get things done. I like to be prepared to handle any task, but I also hate the idea of carrying around a lot of extra stuff. A credit card-sized tool that could disappear in my wallet seemed like the perfect solution. We developed the tool card with a simple premise. The real estate in your pocket is precious, so you should own stuff that's actually worth carrying. We began our design process by brainstorming all of the functions we could pack into a credit card-sized multi-tool. We also tested every card that existed on the market. We thought a lot about the design and layout of the tool card. By nesting the tools, we were able to add tools and reduce weight without sacrificing strength. We kept the edges smooth so it feels great in your hand when you're using the tools. We chose not to have an exposed blade, so the tool card is TSA compliant and it won't damage your wallet. Instead, we added a blade protected by the can opener so you can cut cords, but not your fingers. The tool card weighs only 1 ounce and slips easily into your wallet, so you won't notice it until you need it. Or ditch the wallet altogether. The innovative money clip is designed to snap on with a click and disassemble with ease. No extra tools required, and no fasteners to lose, so you can quickly switch from wallet card to money clip. The tool card is made in America from blade quality 420 stainless steel, which is then heat treated for excellent strength and hardness. It's then bead blasted for a professional finish and laser etched for rich, permanent graphics. The tool card makes an awesome gift that will last a lifetime, and it's scheduled to ship before Father's Day and graduation. We've put in a lot of time to make this tool as good as it can be. Please help us by supporting our campaign and sharing it with your friends. Thank you.